Hey babes, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cle'era. Today I'm just showing you guys how I refresh my braids, how I go from raggedy and rough to clean and pretty. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to stay updated with my videos. You can refresh your knotless box braids feeling like you have to take them down and redo them all over again, or it's just like a done deal and you need to find some time to take them down. So instead, I have a few products that I do use to refresh my box braids. So right here, as you can see, I'm trying to get into focus, my hair likes to curl up. It doesn't look super bad right now, but all this is a no-no. First, I'm going to take my jam. So I use this stuff right here. I don't put a whole lot, like I don't just slap it on there, but just smooth it down. Okay, and then I flip over. Now, it's too much hair because people don't really see that immediately. I'll show you what I do to the back, but the front, I do want to make sure that it is laid. So right here, I kind of take the end of my comb or brush and I kind of tuck pieces in. So I don't do much as far as that goes. So yeah, I just take my jam and if I see any fuzzies or anything anywhere, or if I want my edges laid anywhere, I control that jam and lay that down. Then I'm going to take my mousse from Camille Rose and set that on my hair. And then I take it in the back. Okay, so next what you can do is you can either take some almond oil or some pomade and put that over. You can either wait to do this or you can do it right after you apply the mousse. So then I'm just going to take some almond oil and just make it shinier. And only because I really love this stuff and it smells so good, you can use, I use my Carol Daughters hair mimosa. So you can like that just to give it shine. I just kind of put it in my hands and you braid individually. Okay, so also what I am going to do is I'm going to take this mousse and just put some on my edges. I'm still learning how I want my baby hairs. Like, people be doing them so cute, but I'm gonna put on my scarf. Okay, so I'll let my edges and whatnot like lay, and this is just the time like you can get ready and you know just let your hair sit. So I'm gonna get ready and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have let this just sit on my head for maybe like the past 20 minutes with me getting ready and everything. So take this off and it's laid. It looks shiny. And so yeah, after about 20 minutes or just however long it takes you to get ready, and then they look good as new. I wish I would have taken a before picture, but you guys kind of saw how it was looking before. Not the prettiest. This is very easy, quick, and simple. It doesn't require you taking your braids down. However, I may do another video on a second technique or just second way I do use to refresh my braids that may involve you taking them down. Again, I'll link the products that I did use down below just in case. I really like this combination. It seems to be working for me. So yeah, if you're interested in what I use, just check out the description box down below. I hope you ladies enjoyed, or gentlemen, this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Bye.